BNSF 4174. Orange still there. Well, everybody, if all of you enjoyed this train video, can you give this video a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button for me. Can you do that? I would love that if you could do that for me. It will help other people come to this train channel and check me out. Also, if you're new and you came along this train video, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my train videos I got? And I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. And until my next train video, they call me Mr.Canadian National. And this train video's over. Have a fantastic one. Take care, everybody. And thanks for watching.